Hello. This lecture consists of information about the GMAT exam and how to approach the exam by understanding in detail about the structure and format of the exam. So let's begin with the basics. GMAT is an online exam conducted by GMAT for admission in top management programs all over the world. GMAT is the conducting authority here, which is responsible for conducting it in test centers all over the world. GMAT is a 3.5-hour exam which is conducted at a test center of your choice. This test center is selected by you when you are applying for the GMAT exam and filling out the application. The GMAT score ranges between 200 and 800. This score is defined by primarily two sections that are verbal and quant. I'll be discussing this later. And a score of 700 plus is usually considered to be a very good score in GMAT. So moving on towards the GMAT format and how the exam is structured. The GMAT format is discussed below. Please take 10 seconds to review it. GMAT consists of 4 sections. The first section is verbal, which consists of English language. This verbal section consists of 36 questions which have to be solved in 65 minutes, and the score ranges between 6 to 51. The quant section consists of 31 questions which have to be solved in 62 minutes, giving you exactly 2 minutes per question. The score once again ranges between 6 to 51. Apart from these two sections, there is another section known as integrated reasoning, which is mostly based on your logical and analytical abilities and consists of 12 questions of 30 minutes each. The score is between 1 and 8. The final section is an AWA, which is an analytical writing assessment section, which consists of one writing question. So you will be given a situation and you have to write your answer on the basis of whatever you observe from that question which is given to you. You are allotted 30 minutes for this question and the score ranges between 0 to 6. This writing assessment is evaluated twice, once by a computer and once by a human, and the average of both scores is taken to be your final score. So the significance of verbal and quantitative is huge for GMAT because verbal and quantitative are the two sections that are actually counted towards the final score. So the score which we are talking about, which comes in between the range of 200 to 800, verbal and quantitative are the only two sections which define the score. The IR and AWA sections are present there, are present in your scorecard as well, but they do not contribute to this final score out of 800 that you get. That's the basics of GMAT and the GMAT structure. In the next lecture, I will discuss about the new GMAT online exam and the difference between GMAT and GMAT online exam. Till then, happy learning.